Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Barb from G2S and I'm going to show you the best way to make a Bahama Mama. Are you looking for a cocktail that reminds you of your vacation in the tropics? Well, I've got you covered. There's so many ways to put this cocktail together, and I couldn't find two recipes that were alike. So I put together my group of trusted taste testers so that we could come up with the best recipe to share with you. So I'm gonna use my G2S cocktail shaker set, and here's what you'll need. A shaker, a reamer, a jigger, and a strainer. So I'm gonna start with juicing my orange and my lemon, and you could use grocery store orange juice, that's fine, just not orange juice from concentrate. Okay, so I'm gonna set those aside. So now I'm gonna put some ice in my cocktail shaker and in my glass. So next I'm gonna add the rum. So I need 2 ounces of coconut rum, 1 ounce of aged rum, 1 ounce of white rum, and now I'm gonna add my juices. So I need 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of orange juice, and 1 ounce of lemon juice, and 1 ounce of grenadine. Okay, great. So now I'm just gonna put the top on really securely and make sure I've got it covered. And then I'm going to give it a really good shake. Get my glass. So you could strain this into any highball glass. I'm going to strain it into this pretty hurricane glass. Oops. And as far as garnish, you could go really crazy with this because since it's a tropical drink, you could do an umbrella, a pretty straw, pineapple chunks. I'm gonna put a little bit of orange on mine. You could put cherries, all kinds of different things on this, just whatever you have on hand. That is really, really delicious. And I love that you can taste the sweetness from the orange and you just get that little hint of the lemon. It's just the perfect balance of sweet and sour. And then you can taste the pineapple with the coconut rum, just really adds to that tropical flavor. It's really delicious. So thank you so much to my return viewers for watching, and any new viewers, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. That helps to build our channel so that we can keep bringing you the best recipes. And also, I'll go ahead and put this recipe in the information below and also provide some information of where you can find a G2S and a link for where you can find these pretty glasses. Thank you so much and cheers!